In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and analyze Excel files in Claude. This process is straightforward and incredibly useful for anyone looking to get meaningful insights from their data. We will walk through each step, ensuring you can follow along easily. First up, you'll want to open Claude. This is where all the magic begins. Head over to Claude.ai using your preferred web browser. It's here that you'll sign in or log into your account. Without an account, you won't be able to proceed, so make sure you have your credentials ready. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself in the main dashboard, which is the launchpad for all your analytical needs. Next, we want to start a new chat. On the main interface, look for the button labeled New Chat and give it a click. From there, if multiple models are available, you'll need to choose one. I recommend opting for the Anthropic Claude models, which are designed for robust analysis and can handle a wide range of data analytics tasks. Once you've initiated a new chat session with your chosen model, it's time to upload your Excel file. Look for the paperclip icon or the button that says Attach File. Click on it, navigate to the location of your Excel file on your computer, and select it. This can be either a .xlsx or .xls file. Both are supported. After selecting the file, wait patiently for the upload to finish. This may take a few moments depending on the size of your file, so hang tight. Now comes the exciting part, asking Claude to analyze your data. Imagine yourself as an expert Excel analyst, ready to dive into the details. You're going to instruct Claude to conduct a comprehensive analysis of the uploaded spreadsheet. This includes a data summary that will give you a snapshot of what's in your dataset and a data quality assessment to identify any issues with your dataset's integrity. It doesn't stop there. You'll also want Claude to perform a missing values analysis to highlight any gaps in your data, trend analysis to identify patterns over time, and KPI calculations that align with your specific goals. For an even deeper dive, request charts and visualizations to better illustrate your findings and outlier detection for spotting any anomalies. Let's not forget forecasting opportunities and business insights. These will provide a glimpse into future possibilities and valuable interpretations of your data. Finally, wrap everything up with actionable recommendations that you can implement for improved decision-making. Claude will present these results in a professional report format. This organized presentation will make it easier for you to interpret and make informed decisions based on your data. By following these steps, you will have successfully uploaded and analyzed your Excel files using Claude, turning complex data into accessible insights.